Hello, foodies! Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to discover the secrets behind one of Japan's most exquisite dishes, Maguro Donburi. While you may have enjoyed it at your favorite Japanese restaurant, we're about to unveil some intriguing, lesser-known facts that will take your appreciation to a whole new level. Don't forget to subscribe and join us as we delve into the world of Maguro Donburi. Our journey begins with the origins of Maguro Donburi. This delectable dish hails from Japan, where Maguro means tuna and Donburi refers to a rice bowl. It's a culinary masterpiece that showcases the exquisite taste of fresh tuna. The tuna variety. Did you know that there are several varieties of tuna used in Maguro Donburi? The most prized is otoro, the fatty belly portion of the tuna, which melts in your mouth. Chutoro and akami are other common cuts used, each offering a distinct flavor and texture. The freshness factor. One of the most critical aspects of a perfect Maguro Donburi is the freshness of the tuna. It's often prepared with sushi-grade tuna, which means it has been flash frozen to preserve its freshness and taste. The art of slicing. The art of slicing tuna for Maguro Donburi is a skill passed down through generations. Expert chefs use precision and finesse to create paper-thin, delicate slices that showcase the tuna's natural flavor. The seasonal sensation. Maguro Donburi is often enjoyed seasonally in Japan. The type of tuna and the toppings can change with the seasons, ensuring that you experience the freshest and most in-season flavors. The marinating process. While the focus is on the tuna, the secret sauce used to marinate it is equally crucial. It typically includes soy sauce, mirin, and other ingredients that add depth and umami to the dish. The art of presentation. Maguro Donburi is not just about taste, it's a visual masterpiece. The vibrant colors of the tuna, green nori seaweed, and garnishes create an appealing and Instagram-worthy presentation. All you need is fresh tuna, sushi rice, and your secret sauce. It's a dish that allows you to become a sushi chef in your own kitchen. The rice. A crucial element of Maguro Donburi is the rice. Sushi rice, seasoned with vinegar, sugar, and salt, is used to provide a perfect balance to the rich flavors of the tuna. It's the foundation that ties all the components together. The toppings. While the focus is on the tuna, Maguro Donburi can feature a variety of toppings. Common additions include shredded nori seaweed, sliced green onions, sesame seeds, and even a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi for a touch of heat. The wasabi and pickled ginger. Traditionally, Maguro Donburi is served with a dollop of wasabi for an extra kick and pickled ginger, or gari, which acts as a palate cleanser between bites. The sushi grade label. When purchasing tuna for Maguro Donburi, look for sushi grade labels to ensure the highest quality and safety standards. This label guarantees that the fish has been inspected and prepared with meticulous care. Maguro Donburi is not just about uniformity. Some variations, like the Negatoro Don, feature minced tuna and green onions, offering a unique texture and flavor profile. The health benefits. Beyond its delectable taste, Maguro Donburi packs a punch in terms of health benefits. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health, and it's a great source of protein. The regional specialties. Throughout Japan, you'll find regional specialties of Maguro Donburi. For example, in Atsu City, they add yamaimo, Japanese yam, for a unique twist. Exploring these regional variations is a culinary adventure. It embodies the values of freshness, balance, and simplicity that Japanese cuisine is known for. The Maguro Donburi Challenge. In Japan, there are Maguro Donburi eating challenges where competitive eaters attempt to devour enormous bowls of this delicacy in record time. It's a testament to the dish's popularity and the love for tuna. The DIY Maguro Donburi Party. Hosting a Maguro Donburi party at home is a fantastic idea. You can create a DIY station with various toppings, allowing your guests to customize their bowls. It's a fun and interactive way to enjoy this Japanese favorite. The Maguro Donburi Master Chefs. Maguro Donburi has its own league of master chefs who dedicate their lives to perfecting this dish. These culinary experts use their skills to bring out the best in every ingredient. The perfect pairing. For an authentic Japanese dining experience, consider pairing your Maguro Donburi with a glass of chilled sake. The clean, crisp flavors of sake complement the richness of the tuna beautifully. Today, you'll find creative twists like spicy Maguro Donburi, which adds an extra layer of excitement to this classic dish. The slicing artistry. The skill of slicing tuna for Maguro Donburi is truly an art form. It requires precision, patience, and an intimate understanding of the fish's texture to achieve those delicate, mouth-watering slices. And there you have it, an immersive journey into the world of Japanese Maguro Donburi. It's a dish that embodies tradition, craftsmanship, and the pure joy of savoring the exquisite flavors of fresh tuna. Share your own Maguro Donburi stories, experiences, or any exciting twists you've encountered in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more culinary explorations. Until next time, keep uncovering the culinary treasures of the world and indulging in the art of Japanese cuisine.